Okay guys, so today we're going to be playing Grow Cube and trying to get all endings. Today's Grow's Day Friday and yeah. So first I'm going to try what I think is the correct ending. Person plus water. What's he doing? He's digging it out. Okay. And then plants. Let's skip this because it's kind of long. Okay, can we put everything speed up, please? Thanks. Okay, now I think tube. Wow, this is very interesting. Fire. This might actually be the ending. This plate bowl looking thing. Bone. Whoa. Spring. Ball. Oh, it's stuck in there. Well, that's too bad. Whoa. What's happening here? There's a giant lizard. The ball's not stuck anymore. It's going bounce. And then, does it just loop? No? It goes on the lizard's head and he gets congratulations. Okay, that's the main ending, I think. Now I'm gonna try a different one. Okay, fire. Bowl. Bone. Person. Plant. Tube. Ball. Spring. This does not look like an ending. Maybe I'm wrong about this being an ending, but I'm pretty sure it is. Whoa, the fire's flying. Whoa, what's happening? The person's done nothing. I feel bad for him. Oh, he's taking a little rest. Great for him. Great for him. Ooh. The mushroom thing turned into a fire tower, and the man woke up. Okay, interesting. Now the thing about Grow Tube is that secret endings don't acknowledge themselves as endings. They're just kind of goofy, I think. Okay, so next I'm gonna try person, fire, plant, tube, bone, ball. Oh, he's asleep again. Bowl, spring, pot. Whoa, he's going in the tube. Which is really strange because I thought the tube's going around and round now. So a person was sleeping, there was a fire tower, and a round thing all in one go. That's pretty cool. Okay. So next, how many endings have I done so far? I think 3. Next, we're gonna try water, fire, bone, plant, bowl, pot, person, tube. Wow. This video might be a bit long because I feel like there's a lot of endings in this game. This one I'm doing right now is only the beginning. Maybe thinking, what? This game has more than 3 endings? Yep, sure does. Oh wait, what? The fish! No! The fish! Okay, so that's another secret ending. There's a fish now. Okay, now we're gonna be trying person, water, plant. Now this sounds a lot like the correct answer, but it's not. Pot. Fire. Tube. Yeah, I did a bit of playing this beforehand, I'm sorry. Usually my grow videos, I'm playing them for the first time. I played this off video to try to get every ending possible so that I could make this video. Sorry if you wanted me to play this game, like, just going into it, but I felt like there were way too many endings and it would take, like, 10 different videos to get them all. And then, skip that a bit. Oh, they came up with that yellow thing already. Wait, he's actually gonna turn the water golden. Whoa, it's a turtle. What? It's a turtle. It's just like a turtle. It's funny. Anyway, I think I've done 5 endings so far. There's 4 to go. So we're more than halfway through. Next, I'm going to try person, ball, plant, fire, then spring, and then bone. Oh, the person's sleeping again. And then ball. And then tube. And then pot. Yeah, I really don't think this is a secret ending. Like, maybe... Whoa, they're playing ball. Whoa, they're playing ball with the plant. Sleeping and playing ball with the plant? Okay, now he gets back to work. Okay, that's interesting. I've noticed that the crowd is booing me in some of these endings. But fire next, and then spring, and then tube, I think. And then pot, and then person, and then plant, and bowl, and then wait, what? The pot broke. Anyway, ball, water? Yeah, the pot breaking isn't the most surprising of endings. Usually that happens when you do that in real life, but who am I to say that? That's never happened to me. Again, another one where they're booing me. Anyway, in this next one, we're going to be doing water first, which is not a first. We've done it once before, but then person. Skip a bit, and then plant, which sounds a lot like the correct ending, actually. and then pot, which is different. Wait, the same as the correct ending, actually. And then fire, which is the second difference from the correct ending. But then it's tube, which just means that fire and tube were switched in the correct ending in this one. So that's cooking. And then they're gonna do that. Yeah. And then next we're gonna do bone. Then ball. Wait. I skipped bowl. Wait, now I gotta restart. Water. Then person. Then plant. Then pot. Then fire. Then tube. Bone. Bowl. Ball. Spring. Whoa. The skeleton. Well, there. Now it's gone. Now for our last ending we're gonna do today. Person. Water. Plant. Pot. Tube. Fire. Bowl. Spring. And then bone, which should make it to where, yeah, the water's not going to turn gold, but he's going to go inside of the tube, and then the ball is going to get stuck or something. I don't know. Yup, it got stuck. Anyway, those are all endings to Grow Cube, and this was Grows Day Friday. Remember to like, subscribe, and check out my other videos. Bye!